It's never too late to live happily ever after. When I see something I want, be loyal to your future, not your past. I wake up every morning just to dominate my day. Success is for those who are the most hungry. One day I'll wake up and say, I did it. Never give up without a fight. Don't wish it was easier, wish you were better. No matter how hard it gets, never give up on your dreams. No more excuses, no more screams. Walk aggressively in the direction of your dreams. Don't judge me, you can't handle half of what I have dealt with. There is a reason I do the things I do. There is a reason I am who I am. Once you become fearless, life becomes limitless. In the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take. There is a hunter in all of us. Decide what you want and then act as if it were impossible to fail. Some people think that to be strong is to never feel pain. In reality, the strongest people are the ones who feel it, understand it, accept and learn from it. Use your worst days as motivation. Everything will change. I know I am on the right path because things stopped being easy. Confidence comes from keeping promises you made to yourself. To be the best, you must be able to handle the worst. Make it happen, shock everyone. Be a warrior, not a worrier. Live your life the right way and the blessing will come. Always do your best. What you plant now, you will harvest later. Be good enough to forgive someone, but don't be stupid enough to trust them again. Believe in yourself and you will be unbeatable. Never announce your next move. Blood makes you related. Loyalty and honesty make you family. The things you are passionate about are not random, they are your calling. I never lose, I either win or I learn. Be willing to walk alone. Many who started with you won't finish with you. Stare right into your fears. When you really pay attention, everything is your teacher. Having a soft heart in a cruel world is courage, not weakness. Sometimes you have to risk it all for a dream only you can see. When life gets harder, challenge yourself to be stronger. Everything you need is already within you. Find out. I have never met a strong person with an easy past. Find a way or fade away. It's not over until I win. You are a product of your decisions. Be humble, be kind, but be a beast. It's hard to beat someone who never gives up. The days that break you are the days that make you. Whether in the jungle or in the ring, I will always be crowned king. It's not over when you lose, it's over when you quit. A wild person with a calm mind can do anything. The most dangerous person is the one who listens, thinks, and observes. When a nice guy loses his patience, the devil shivers. The strongest people have the most scars. Some people want to see you fail, disappoint them. Never let your emotions overpower your intelligence. You define your own life, don't let other people write your script. I never quit until I get what I want. Don't run from your fears, attack it. I'm not here to compete, I'm here to dominate. When you have got nothing to lose, you turn into a beast. My pain is my motivation. Hurt in private, heal in silence, shine in public. My scars are a reminder that I'm a fighter. Being different is not a bad thing, it means you are brave enough to be yourself. Be a game changer, the world is already full of players. The hardest walk you can make is alone, but it's the walk that will make you stronger. Make no mistake, the beast inside is sleeping, not dead. If you kick me when I'm down, you better pray I don't get up. Every morning you have two choices: continue sleeping with your dreams or wake up and chase them. Don't listen what people say behind you. A lion never looks back when small dogs bark. Strong people don't put others down, they lift them up. Forget what hurt you, but never forget what it taught you. Stay strong, make them wonder why you are still smiling. Be happy, it drives people crazy. The best revenge is massive success. Success is what happens after you have survived all your mistakes. Never give up. Everyone has bad days. Pick yourself up and keep going. Tough times don't last. Tough people do. Mood all day. Rise like a lion. Decision defines destiny. Big success comes with big challenges. No matter how many times I fall, I'll still rise. You can't break the broken. I'm strong because I have been weak. I'm fearless because I have been afraid. I'm wise because I have been foolish. Remember, when you forgive, you heal, and when you let go, you grow. Calm but alert, relaxed but ready, smooth but sharp, humble but confident. Learn when to be aggressive and when to be patient. Each morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. Just because most don't make it doesn't mean you can't. The worst part about being strong is that no one ever asks if you are okay. Loyalty is rare. If you find it, take it. When I am good, I am very good. But when I am bad, I am even better. Dear future, I am ready. Be a legend. King is king even without queen. Always remember that. I never lose, either I win or I learn. Die with respect, but don't let your respect die. If you are in my life, it's a privilege. Never take me for granted. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. They talk trash about you because they know you are a threat. Don't mistake my kindness for weakness. The beast in me is sleeping, not dead. Keep chasing your goals, whether you are alone, broke, tired, or scared. Keep going. I am not here to fit into your world. I am here to create my own. The only thing that can stop me is me. Train your mind to stay calm in every situation. Yes, I have scars, some you see, some you don't, but I am proud because I fought for each and every one of them. The comeback is always greater than the setback. Sometimes you need bad things to happen to inspire you to change and grow. Every next level of your life will demand a different you. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Hard times may test me, they cannot destroy me. No matter how high the offer is, never sell your dreams. Pain is the best teacher. Forget what they think. Be uncommon. No matter how hard it gets, never give up. If your ego barks, then my attitude grows. Sometimes a king has to remind fools why he is king. Don't let idiots ruin your day. A lion doesn't ask for permission to rule the jungle. A quiet lion is more dangerous than a barking dog. Take action in silence. No lion attacks with noise. Never complain and never explain. Life is a game. You can be a player or a toy. Take the risk or lose the chance. Train your mind to see good in every situation. Judge no one, just improve yourself. Be somebody nobody thought you could be. First, you have to believe you can. Believe you are born to achieve great things. If you want to go big, stop thinking small. If you want to be great, stop asking for permission. Don't mistake silence for weakness. Never lower your price, add value. Face everything and rise. Fear is a reaction, courage is a decision. My silence is enough because you can't afford for my rose. I don't need a weapon, I am one. The skin of the leopard is beautiful but not as hard. Don't blame God for having created the tiger, but thank Him for not giving it wings. ऑनरेबल व्यूअर्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद कर सकते हैं। शुक्रिया।